Hello there and welcome to our course Scratch Development for Everyone. So today we will discuss more about Scratch. The best way to do it is by typing Scratch in the search bar Google and typing enter. So on the left side we will find some links. The first one is the one we want, and on the right side we will find some definitions. So by definition, Scratch is a high-level block-based visual programming language. Let me discuss this and break it down for you. What is a programming language? A programming language is simply a language. So what is a language? A language is like English. We use English to communicate together. So a programming language is a language we use to communicate with a computer. So if you want to communicate with a computer, you have to use a programming language. For example, you can use other programming languages that we will learn later, like C#, which is created by Microsoft, and other programming language that we will learn later. But today we are learning Scratch. So Scratch is a programming language. That means we can use it to communicate with a computer, to write instructions. Very simple. Programming language means a way to communicate with a computer. So what is meant by a visual programming language? A visual programming language, that means for other languages that we can use, like C#, for example, which is a very common one for Android, if you heard of it, those lines or those instructions, those languages use lines, text lines. In Scratch, we don't type code, we just simply use blocks, something that is visual, that is easier to be used. Like the small blocks, we can put it together to build something. That is exactly a visual programming language. A block-based, which you can learn later from scratch, that we can use those blocks to integrate together and build something. What is meant by high level? A high level means we don't really need to get into the details of how things work. We just add those blocks together and things will work for us. This is lecture number 1, and we have learned about the introduction to Scratch. Thank you for listening and have a great day.